Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can disconnect Bitcoin.com from Verse. Disconnecting Bitcoin.com from Verse is a straightforward process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, tap Open Bitcoin.com wallet from your mobile device. After you are inside the home page after logging in, tap on the glove icon at the top right corner. Now, if you've recently connected Bitcoin.com with Verse, you will be able to see this interface. You will be taken to verse.bitcoin.com directly, and if you're connected to a wallet, you will be able to see your wallet address at the top right. Simply tap on it and then click on the disconnect button under Connect Wallet. Soon after you do that, you will be disconnecting your Bitcoin.com from Verse. So that is how super easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.